I stayed up really late, but I'm going to bed, and you can see it's like flash of red out the window from the tree.
Good morning. It is raining today. I think it rained overnight and then it's like threatening to rain and then like that for like less than 30 seconds. But it's making me just want to be cozy up today and not go out. I just wanted to check in. Cozy morning. I'm enjoying the vlog, so I'm watching. It's Judy time right now. And she was just talking about um, Vlogtober 2011, and I was like, what a what a fun, crazy time. I think I did my very first Vlogtober in 2012. I didn't do like the Vlogtober challenge, which is what it has turned into. But back in the day, vlogging was just like sitting down and talking about your day. It wasn't like follow me around and like the stuff that we've been doing lately. And so she was just talking about it, and I just wanted to check in to say that I've been having a lot of fun doing the vlogs. I know Chris has been doing it, having fun doing it too, and I think he likes being part of my channel. So please leave him some love, leave some comments for him so he can know that he's appreciated on this channel. And we're definitely after October, we're going to continue to do more vlog style content. We'll do like Reddit reacts. We're going to do, we have some already recorded and up for like the moving process and the packing process, the moving process, and then we're going to continue to do more like decorating the small apartment process, and we're going to do that together. So he'll be in those videos too. We have a couple of like reaction videos where and like we tried different products that we've never tried before. So we have some of those, and we'll probably definitely have some hauls. We'll definitely have some hauls coming up because we have like, you know, when you move into a new place, you have to buy stuff for your place because you can't make your stuff fit your space. You have to have get stuff that fits the space. So, yeah, it was like, you know, we moved from a big house and we're like, we'll just take all the stuff from the house, but like, that stuff is for a big house. And this is a little apartment, a very little apartment. And, so we had to get a bunch of stuff, but we'll have a bunch of hauls. We're going to be hanging a bunch of stuff. And just, I wanted to thank you for sticking around and watching the vlogs. I know I have had a couple that have like spiked up higher, but most of them are like staying around 10 views. And I just wanted to thank you 10 for sticking around and watching the vlogs. Say hi in the comments. I love reading comments. And we'll see what happens today.
It's rainy and windy today, and so a lot of the leaves have actually blown off the trees. This is the first time the ground looks like autumn. Got some leaves blown around in the wind. I'm just walking to the grocery store. I thought this would be a nice... Alright. Okay. What's the third okay? You guys don't know. Fatima was putting away the knives. I didn't have everything I needed for my espresso, so I made one, and then I went to the store and I made my second one because I do 2 a day. And I also got raspberry pastry. I tried the apple. It was very good, not too sweet, which is like unusual for store brand turnovers. I've not had a ton. I've had like 5 or 6 different store brands, and they're all very sweet. So I was expecting this one to be very sweet, but it was not. So let's see how the raspberry is.
I'm excited.
Yeah?
The apple, you ate them so fast.
They were so good.
I bet you'll like the raspberry too.
And you know what's crazy is usually when they sit overnight, they like get really weird and they get really smushed. And they were pretty good. They weren't as good as day one, but they were pretty good. They were much better than any other day two apple turnover I ever had.
Did you vlog your groceries?
I didn't vlog the groceries. Some fried chicken, cabbage, which we weren't going to eat with kielbasa, but I think we will now. We were going to eat it with ramen. Then I also got soy sauce, fancy soy sauce. It's not here. Fancy soy sauce and sriracha. So usually I would get normal sriracha, the Fighting Rooster or whatever it's called, but it looked really off color. And so we got this one. It looks more on color. And we got the other two pizzas and kielbasa, but get out of here. We got the stuffed crust rising pizza and the classic crust, which we did not try last time. So I think we'll try these tonight and have another two pizza night. We have things to watch.
We have things to watch?
Yeah, we have Only Connect.
Oh, wow. Like a whole season, right?
Yeah, almost. We have like 13 episodes.
So these are all random. I don't know if this will fit in the little drawer, but like...
LOL, like, oh my god, random.
So random.
That's how I
but
feel.
like nothing really fits in here because these are for utensils. So.
I say we put them in the back of on the stove thing.
All of the spatulas or all of the baking stuff?
Maybe we need another on the stove thing.
Yeah, so remember that like crock that my mom got you?
Yeah.
We did not bring that.
Yeah, because it was a crock.
Because it was a crock.
No, it was...
Are you recording or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was delicate. I didn't want to break it in our move. We're supposed to have already been there and back. Okay, so we think the glass has been repaired on the car. But it's hard to tell because we're here and not there.
Yeah.
We're waiting for a package and then we can go. And we can spend the whole next week there to get this dang car problemed if we have to. But we just want to be home. We just want to be home for more than 10 days in a row. For more than 7 days in a row.
Would be nice.
I don't even think we've been here for 7 days in a row yet.
Oh, no. Of course not.
We have not. So we're doing a remarkable job unpacking, considering...
Wait. Put it on my face. I think we're being extremely patient.
Yeah. We're doing a remarkable job unpacking, considering.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the doorbell worked. We got a package today and the doorbell rang.
Rang the doorbell.
Oh, you can't see it, but it went bang, bang, bing, bang, 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 bing, bang.
I was so excited. I was like,
yeah.
And then instead of going and answering the door, I was like, Bubba, did you hear your doorbell?
Yeah, we were pretty sure it was a package. We can't look out the window and see, but maybe we'll install one of those Jefferson mirrors. Fatima hates these. I really want one. Are they Franklin mirrors? I don't want that.
A video.
No, because I don't want to broadcast video and then have the police be able to access the video and have people use the video to
I understand.
be like, there's criminal.
We are not doing this Jefferson mirror thing.
No, we are not. But I might. I feel very at home here in a way that I haven't in very many places at all in my life.
I don't know how we ended up with 3 cookie scoops.
Those are ice cream scoops. Ice cream scoop, a melon baller.
No, these are all cookie scoops. Large cookie scoop, large cookie scoop, small cookie scoop.
All right. Let us know in the comments.
I don't know how we ended up with 3. We have 4 rice paddles. I am happy that we have as many rubber spatulas as we have because they are so valuable and they kind of...
They're disposable.
Yeah, they deteriorate pretty fast. The way we use it, at least.
Bro, they just dispose themselves.
Wait, look at how many...
It's good to have offset spatulas.
Yeah, look at how many spatulas we have.
Oh, only one of those is an offset spatula.
Wait, there was... Oh. No, it's only 3. This is like a cheese knife.
Yeah, that's a butter spreader I would use it as.
Oh, okay, yeah. This is an offset spatula, and this is not offset spatula
All
for
right.
spreading. It, like, I was putting away the pie plates. We have 4 pie plates, and I was like, it's like we're like a real we're like real professional bakers.
Yeah, we baked a lot in the middle years. And then once this whole move started happening, and actually, is it once I went to the hospital?
Yes.
Yeah, so once I went to
Once
the
he was in the
hospital, I
hospital.
just I didn't have the energy to stand around and bake anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And it took almost a year for me to get my full energy back.
Yeah, for sure.
Not quite. I think it was like 11 months,
No,
but
I totally
basically a
believe
year to
it
get my full
because
energy back.
I didn't even go to the hospital, and it took me like 4 months to get my energy back after COVID.
Yeah, I was sick.
I said that.
I was in ICU.
I said that to Aiden, and he was like, "COVID was so long ago," and I was like, "No,
When I got COVID.
Bruh.
Yeah.
when I got COVID."
Yeah, like saying COVID, a lot of people think, oh, the pandemic, oh, the shutdown, oh, when like mask mandates, when school was closed. But we mean like when people were getting COVID, which has been the last 5 years in total, or when we got COVID specifically. I was wondering.
Cake boss.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I was baking like pretty regularly for 3 years, and people were just getting me stuff. The wife,
Me.
the mother-in-law,
Kind of my mom, yeah.
the dump.
No, not the dome.
No, not the dump. Yeah, and then as soon as I was like, okay, I have the energy to bake, I'm like ready to go. They were like, you're moving to Rochester, so I just have not. I don't think I've baked anything since somebody's birthday. I baked somebody a birthday cake, probably.
Yeah, Kate's birthday cake.
Yeah. Dang.
That was a year ago. It's her birthday again.
Is it her birthday like
tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank fucking God.
Yeah, thank goodness it's not today.
All right. I have to set an alarm to call Kate tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. We haven't been using this oven very much, but I just noticed this. Looks like cracking or peeling. The only thing, I don't even think we've cooked on anything back there. Yeah, look, we've actually left this coconut oil there the whole time, and it's in a plastic, and it's not even melted. So we have not been cooking back there. We have just been baking, and even using this, which is not related to the oven at all. Seems pretty sus to me. I was recording. I'm so happy to see rice and smell rice being made in the house. I'm like, oh, this is our house.
First time appearance in the new apartment. Achievement unlocked.
Huh? Yeah. All right. I let my hair down, so the vlog has to be done now.
Yeah, it's evening. I'm still in my. I mean, I did get dressed, but then when I came home, I instantly put my robe back on.
Yeah, I'm about to sit down and do like 4 hours of work, and there's nothing interesting about that.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, it is interesting, but we're not gonna vlog because that, like, does like triple of like the work that you have to do.
It definitely more than doubles the work
when you're working.
Yeah.
You're already working, so.
Yeah, so we're having a tea. We watched Only Connect, and we had dinner.
And we are going to call it a night. He's gonna work for 4 hours. And I'm going to probably watch YouTube for 3 hours.
She's gonna work too. Don't let her trick you.
No. Okay, maybe I'll edit.
Yeah.
But I'm not supposed to. But that means I don't have to edit tomorrow. So.
Oh, you don't edit these. You edit this tomorrow. You're a day behind.
Yeah.
Not a day behind.
Yeah, I edit. But if I edit it now and just put it up, then I don't have to do anything tomorrow. It's pretty good. Sounds pretty good.
Good night. See
Thanks
you
for
mañana.
watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and
check out Sea Monster YK.
Come back tomorrow. Yeah, Sea Monster YK. Watch the rest of the vlogs. Subscribe to this channel. Bye!